Okay, everyone. Today, we're gonna look some practice. We're gonna do some practice on stress analysis using SolidWorks 2017. Okay. Okay. This is some kind of software. Okay. First thing first, we go to SolidWorks, and on the right top left corner there is open file. I have a bunch of files on my desktop. Click on CAE. Okay, let's do this. L bracket. Okay, we're gonna open this L bracket file folder. If we double click on L brackets, so basically this is my first time to record. Uh, I'm doing. I'm using. I'm recording my voice using my phone. Okay, this is L bracket. We're gonna do is static analysis. I think I already did on the study part. As you can see, there's mesh 1, mesh 2, mesh 4, mesh 5, and static mesh from. This is copy from study 1, study 5. Okay, let's look the first study, mesh 1, click. And then if we right click on the study and to make it active, is click on active SolidWorks configuration. Okay, this is a basic one with no affiliate, whatever. So basically the principle is you apply perpendicular force 1250 Newton, like from top, and this is a fixture. So the study is about how this material is gonna react for this applied force. Okay, to see the results, you have to right click on the study and run it. Because I already did the study part, it doesn't take that much longer time. So to make it everything clear, this is the result: stress, displacement, and strain. Right click on stress, edit definition, chart option, change the number from scientific to floats, decimal place, 1 decimal place. Is it okay? Do something for displacement. Right click, edit definition, chart option, and instead of scientific, choose floats, 1 decimal place. Click, do something for strain. Right click, edit definition, chart option, instead of scientific, floats, 1 decimal place, and we can see the result. Okay, just to look the result, how it's gonna look like if we apply 1250 Newton force from the top, like perpendicular to the surface. Let's right click, click on animation. You see, as you can see, the yield strength for this material, the material is hold on, we can see the material. The material is steel alloy. Okay, steel alloy. So if we look the stress part, right click the animation. So basically, what it is, if we apply 1250 Newton force from the top to like perpendicular to the surface, this is how the stress is gonna distribute throughout the body, and the maximum event stress is 84.4 Newton per millimeter square or megapascal. Let's do the same thing for displacement. Right click, hold on. Right click, animation. You see. Basically, we can change if we want the label of the animation to look much better. If we don't want to see this mesh, we can right click it, chart option, setting, boundary option, none, click, you see, without no mesh. Same thing. Okay, you see, for the result string, we don't see any number. If you want, you can click here, edit definition, chart option, and same thing. We can use scientific for this part because the number is very small. We can use scientific, you see, 3.1 to the power of -4. Okay, that's all about it. This is my first recording for CAE class. I'll see you next time. Bye. Thank you for watching.